Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Straighten my camera out just a little bit there. I have a 11 by 14 canvas here, and I have some very spring-like colors here. I have a Naples yellow. I have, that's by Master's Touch. This is an Anitas Island Blue. I have a new color that I haven't used in the past. This is an emerald green and my light magenta. My plan is I'm going to put some lines down here, and then I'm going to swipe it with some white that I put some of the coconut oil hair serum in. I probably put 7 or 8 drops in there. Unintentionally, I wanted less, but that's the way it worked out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out, I'm just going to lay my colors down, dribble them all over. I did not put any background color on this. Let's see. So I need to use quite a bit here to fill it in. Probably put some white in between. To fill in some of these spots. I need to get this tongue depressor out of here before I spill it. Been impatiently waiting for spring around here. I have a feeling I'm going to be waiting a lot longer. It's just mid-February. And we've had one of those winters that we haven't had in a very long time, where it's been very snowy and ice storms. Makes it not very much fun to leave the house. Fill in some of these openings here. Slow down a little bit because I'm being really sloppy. I think I'll do a little bit of white down on this end to carry it over. I think I could actually do some more color at the top here. Let's see. See, now I put my regular white up there. I didn't want my regular white. I wanted my white with the silicone in it. Intention was to let this move a little bit anyway, so I might just, I hate to waste it, but just take some of that off of there. To the sides a bit. Just trying to fill in any little bare spots on my canvas at this point. I like those colors. Okay. Hands a little bit. Now this is my white with the coconut serum in it. Hopefully that's enough. I just have a paper towel here. I made the end of it a little bit wet so that I could drag it through. Move all my stuff out of the way here. Keep trying to put my finger in paint here. Let's see if I can get that to just lay down there. Make good contact everywhere. And I'm going to try and do a straight swipe. That doesn't mean it's going to happen, but just slowly pull this. Oh, that emerald is really prominent. Oh, cool. Oh, that is really pretty. A lot of stuff popping out there. I'm going to tilt it a little bit towards that end. Oh, there's some really pretty cells coming out. They're very small. Very small ones. Touch up my sides here. I'm going to cover this a little bit. Looks very bare. Let's see if we can get some cells to pop out. Some trying to come up. Oh, it's so pretty. Pretty, pretty. Touch it with dirty gloves. Guess I can always touch up the sides later. They don't all have to be covered right now. Wow. Kind of smooshed them together right here. I'm going to slide them down a little more. Don't know if you can hear the booms going on, but it sounds like I have puppy dogs upstairs playing, jumping on and off the couch. Oh, that's pretty. Very happy with this one. Let me wipe my hands off here. And I'll bring you in for a close-up. Let's see if I can get a look at it tomorrow after it's dry and take a nice picture of it. Be right back. Okay, so here we're back. Try and get you a good look at it here. Some really cute, bright looking cells here. This one just screams spring to me. Winter is so long around here. So guys, let me know what you think. I really like it. I'm gonna turn to the side here. Try not to make you dizzy. Kind of go up. Take a look at it that way. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Send me a comment. I'd like to know what you think of my painting. It's nice to hear from you. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Again, thanks for visiting. Bye.